Hi guys, Sylvia here, and this is my Star Commissions review. So I'm bringing a very exciting product to you today. This is really like nothing I have reviewed so far. So I normally review digital products, softwares, training courses in making money online niche or crypto, but most of them are in making money online or simple genuine softwares which will do the job for you. But this one is something else. It is actually going to be in talent, fame, niche. So your audience, the audience you will be targeting will be like musicians, models, singers, all of that interesting, exciting stuff. And essentially what you would learn to do with this, it's like a mix of training course with a done-for-you funnel, like an affiliate funnel with set up commissions and also tutorial videos and an amazing software as well that would give you like a magnet, like a website with the magnet that would be really that would ensure that your funnel is the best seller, and your clients would be crazy about it. They would definitely want to buy it and get it from you. Now, interestingly, this niche, this talent, fame niche, is not like this making money online, crypto, this and that, where there is so much competition in MMO, right, making money online. But in this one, there's so little competition, and it's a very, like light, easygoing niche to get yourself into. Also, like in terms of like possibly being banned on like social media, Facebook, or like running Facebook ads or running Google ads, you would not have problem. Whereas if you run like Google ads as an affiliate for typical affiliate campaigns, Google doesn't like that. So that's like there's a big plus as well. And the guy behind this product, I have done so much research about him and about what this product is all about, because I kind of like want you to grasp the concept, and I want to be able to explain as to why this is something very profitable and to get yourself into, and there's so much potential in it. So I just want to show you like who put this product together. So that's Jamie Lewis, and he teamed up with Cindy Donovan. Cindy is like amazing at creating softwares. So Jamie is he has made a lot of bucks, millions. We are talking about millions. So he started in he used to work in New York, in a music shop, and he was just making his salary just to kind of meet his to cover his expensive, all of that, the rent, and we know how it is, the survival mode. So he wasn't doing very well, and then he got interested in how to start making money online, and he got himself into affiliate marketing, and then running those, and Google ads, Facebook ads, this and that, and eventually he came up with this idea that he started selling musical instruments as an affiliate, and he also started launching his products on ClickBank and then on Warrior Plus and much more. And then he really discovered like this making money online niche is so competitive, and it's really hard to break through and see like amazing results financially speaking. So he was like, okay, let me target different group of people, and then because he knows so much about music industry, then he just put this funnel, like a sales funnel, together. Okay. So that's what this product is all about, and again he has teamed up with Cindy. They've done it together. So Star Commissions is like a labor of love for them. And yeah, I've been like listening to this interview as well that actually my colleague from my super affiliate training course, Johnny Ross, did with Jamie. So it was very interesting to find out about the background, what this product is all about. I had no idea like how much passion and dedication they have put their hearts and souls into putting this product together, and there is seriously crazy amount of potential in this product. So let me show you the sales page, and I'll tell you about the prices. I'll give you like a glimpse into the members area as well. So maybe let's go and check out the sales page first, and let me just, and yeah, maybe just make it slightly bigger. Can't do it, never mind. Anyhow, you have this pop-up on the sales page, so you kind of have to hover over the sales page, and this is gonna pop up. So it's gonna give you $5 discount. Just make sure you grab the discount. So here we are, and they say Star Commissions. If everything you are trying is too hard or has too many moving parts, bypass building or paying for traffic and convert the hungriest buyers ever in a hidden monster niche that literally beg to buy affiliate offers from you, because those will be people like models, singers, actors, and they want success, right? And they want something that would help them with their careers and to break through, and they definitely go for the success. So they are very determined to succeed. And if you come up with a great sales funnel with the website, everything for them, they will be more than happy to get that from you. So watch this 100% done for you fame magnets. Okay, so magnets, something that will be like a magnet for them. They will not be able to say no to it. So watch these done for you fame magnets. Send floods of automated profits to multiple affiliate accounts without a bone of musical or artistic talent in your body. So essentially you would become like how should I put it, like a talent agent, right? Still as an affiliate, so you would be making money online, you'd be making affiliate commissions, but not in the making money online niche. Like your target would be again the people from the fame and talent industry. So they say even if you are a stone cold newbie without any experience, you can convert the hungriest buyers you have ever seen. Huge high ticket buying from each lead, free targeted, no competition. There's very little competition, so that's a huge factor, a very important one. It will be much easier to make money for you within that niche. Never get banned for selling an MMO. Exactly. So there's no sort of spamming included, because there's so much spamming when it comes to making money online niche. And yeah, I mean Google can suspend your account just like that with the funny, silly, not silly but strict policies. Yeah, you can just get your account suspended, without a warning, without a reason. They're not gonna give you a reason, especially when it comes to affiliate making money online campaigns. That's just the reality of it. So, but with this niche, you won't have that problem. So perfect for newbies. You just need a fame magnet, and they'll give you that fame magnet. 180-day money back guarantee. That's very good. We'll pay you $300 if you don't see results. That's what they promise. Now, I would really strongly encourage you guys to watch this sales video is very good, done by Jamie. It's like 10 minutes long, so go below my video, you'll find a link to the sales page. That's how you get the product if you wish to buy it from me. And just make sure you go through the sales page. There's so much information about the product. It's actually quite a good sales page, not like a typical Warrior Plus sales page. And if you wish to buy, just click on this Get Instant Access here, and that's how you go about purchasing the product. Okay, so I'll just scroll quickly through the sales page and just let you discover it and explore it in your own time. It's quite a lengthy one. It's all about this, like, you know, fame industry. I like the pictures, all of that. Loads of testimonials, loads of like, you know, income proofs as well, because yeah, Jamie has done so well for himself. You know, that doesn't mean you're gonna make the same money, but you know, he will give you the blueprint. And again, he has put his heart and soul into this product together with his partner. So, you know, this is what you're gonna get. So all of these features here with the training, the step-by-step tutorials, the guide, the quick fire map, so-called, and even affiliate Q&As and premium support. There's quite a few upgrades as well. We'll go, so they're very interesting. As I was listening to this interview, you know, with Jamie, done by Johnny Rose, and here's some bonuses as well. Yeah, he talks about this like a master kind of class he will do weekly if you purchase one of the upgrades, and yeah, he will like definitely give you the you know, ins and outs of, you know, how to set yourself up for a success. Which is, I mean, like invaluable always to hear it from straight from the horse's mouth, as they say, right? So yeah, that's him. That's Jamie Lewis. All right, so let's go and check the funnel and see how much that's gonna cost you. So here we are, the front end, and there is this $5 discount, guys. Remember, so it is launching today, so going live today. So the front end is $16.47, so you're just paying under $12 if you grab that $5 discount. So this is gonna be the front end. Start commission is a power pack, MMO, BizUp, IM combo of software, and an incredibly profitable niche method where students can clone and sell incredible fame magnets. So it's a software there as well that will help you with generating leads and, you know, building up your email list as well. So OTO number 1 done for you is for 29, or the downsell for 19. Okay, if you wish to read more about what these upsells are all about, guys, just pause the video and read through. I'm just gonna, you know, give you the prices. So OTO number 2 is traffic on tap, so traffic checker, so called. Don't know what that means. 97 upsell, and 47 is the downsell. So OTO number 3 is unlimited autoresponder for 27 or 17. OTO number 4 is partner with Jamie. So okay, you can do some fun stuff together and make money together. OTO number 5, ultimate downsell 97 or 67. OTO number 6, multiplier traffic for 49 or 17 downsell, and OTO number 7, vendor edition. Okay, so for 67 or 37. Please, you know, pause the video and just read through the features. And yeah, that's it. And let me show you the members area, and what it's gonna look like. So this is inside the members area. You have like a welcome video and an overview from Jamie first, and here is like here it says setting up star commission and getting your first sale, and then you will have like topics under it, and cloning, customizing and delivering to your customer. And here is the okay, let me see if I can make it perhaps bigger. Okay, so here we have how to sign up for your affiliate network, and how to connect the affiliate networks, how to activate your pay magnet agents, connect your autoresponder, how to activate traffic method number 2, so Facebook, and traffic method number 3, uncommon traffic tips, so some extra tips on traffic. Method number 4 is whole technique. Okay, I'm not sure what that means. Alright, so and here we have some freebies from me, guys. Now this is a video I made on the concept of bonuses and what I personally think about that. I'll attach the link below my video, and if you watch that video, guys, there I really spoke from my heart in that video, okay? But in that video I'll give you a website to a link to a website where you register for free and you can access unlimited free products in any niche and category you can possibly think of. So that's just like a gesture of goodwill from me for, I guess, just watching my video. You don't even have to, you know, buy the product from me, guys. You know, I really, frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn, as they say. No, I'm joking, I do. I mean, you know, obviously if you like my review and, you know, you found it valuable and you want that product, I would really be grateful if you just purchase from the link below my video. But, you know, well, nevertheless, you can still go and watch that video and find out about that website where you can get so much stuff for free. And also, if you go in the description below my video, you also find links to 2 courses. One is called Kissjacking, the other one Traffic Jarvis, that I seriously recommend so much. I have purchased both of those courses. Kissjacking is about how to start with affiliate marketing, and you know, it's very simplified for you. It's for complete newbies. And the other one, Traffic Jarvis, is a way more advanced one, hardcore training, like 12 or 13 hours of hardcore training, how to get everything set up and start making money with YouTube, how to get your YouTube channel monetized and all of that. So I'm actually like currently going through the other training course, and I'm like on mission. Like, you know, my YouTube channel is really growing and I am so pleased with the results. So I would really recommend those 2 courses, Kissjacking and Traffic Jarvis, if you want to start making real money online. If you want like a genuine method that seriously works, but you just have to put your heart and soul into it, you know, determination, patience, all of that. It's not going to be immediate, like the money is not going to start coming into your account within a few weeks or even months, but it's like a long time strategy. But if you stick to it, in a few years time you will be, you know, you will be so like in a good like position, financially speaking, okay? Because this is like a golden method. That's like, you know, they say there's like 3 golden methods of making money online. The first one is YouTube, the second one is blogging, the third one is email marketing. Email marketing is obviously expensive, but you know, YouTube is free, so those 2 courses will be on YouTube, and yeah, check them out and see what you think. But yeah, what did you guys think about star commissions? It's quite a product, you know, unlike anything I have reviewed so far. I think it's gonna sell very well, and it is apparently already converting. I think it's already live, so it's converting very well. So yeah, I mean, like, well, enjoy it and let me share your feedback with me in the comment section down below if you buy it. Okay, have a beautiful day, and I shall see you in my next review. Take care. Bye bye.